We have seen the hunger of a member with regards to learning, learning newer and futuristic things, which gave us a lot of confidence in AI and ICI. Also, the president and vice president were equally amazed and satisfied that people in this large numbers are keen on learning new things.
Friends, hackathon was a subject which was a talk of town, and many people were confused that what is this hackathon, why institute is doing such types of hackathon. But today, due to hackathon, the adoption of AI has gone to a ground level. Even the smallest cities, smallest chartered accountant, a proprietor, or a small partnership firm are using the use cases given by our hackathonist friends. Now let's welcome our another hackathonist, Pankaj Jain. So this will be our third use case for the day in season 2. I will request all participants to please rank the panelists according to your choice. So Pankaj ji, are you ready?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So let's welcome Pankaj, our third hackathonist. Over to you, Pankaj ji.
A warm and hearty good morning to all the dignitaries in today's webinar. Friends, what I have prepared is a tax audit management tool, which is a purely AI-based tax audit tracking tool. First of all, let me tell you what are the problems we face in our tax audit management. The problems are this: in any CA firm, they've got lots and lots of tax audits. We do tax audits for lots and lots of clients. We do tax audits and they are conducted by different articles. They are being managed by different partners. There are multiple tasks in each tax audit. And as proprietors, as partners, you have to follow up and track each tax audit. So what I've created is a tax audit task diary. And with the help of AI, how it can give us insights of each tax audit. Let me show you. So what I've done is I've created a tool on Google Sheets, which is a Excel-like thing available in Google Workspace. So what I've done is I've connected Tax Audit Diary with OpenAI, and then I'm getting human-readable answers, just like a manager answers to all our questions, and getting answers to specified questions relating to each tax audit. Let me show you the live demo of the same. As you can see this is a simple Google spreadsheet, and it is divided into two sheets. The first sheet is audit task list, and the second is question sheet. And as you can see in the audit task list, I've created a simple diary. You might all be knowing that today we are living in a collaborative environment where spreadsheets can be shared. Multiple people can work on the same spreadsheet at the same time. So this is a Google Sheets. What I can do is I can share it with all my articles, partners. They can all access to this sheet. And I've divided this sheet into the columns such as date. The second is client name. The third is who did the task. What kind of audit tasks did he do? What is the status of that audit task? And what is the task remarks? So this is a simple Google spreadsheet. As a person, as an article, as a staff, as a partner, does anything relating to any tax audit, it just fills a row for the task completed, fills the task remarks. Now, by the end of the evening, you can come to the question sheet. And in the question sheet, as you can see, first of all, you can see that column B has got the client names. So I have written a unique formula here and brought the client names from column B of the sheet audit task list. And here I've created a custom formula, and that formula is ask range. And what is my range? My range is audit task list. This is my range. And from this, which question for which client I want to get the status, my client name is ABC and company. So here the same formula is there, here the same formula is there, here the same formula is there. Let me just delete this first. Okay, and I can just copy this formula just like a simple Excel formula, or you can say a Google Sheet formula. I paste it. What it does is this spreadsheet is connected with OpenAI. This spreadsheet is connected with OpenAI, and it gives me answers to the questions. For example, on 15th July, Mohan made a client call to ABC and company and requested for the latest data. What it did is it fetched this entire range of data and got to understand that for a particular client, what task was done, and it brought us the date-wise, it did a date-wise analysis of the audit tasks done for DF and company and brought us a human readable analysis. Say for ABC and company on 15th July, what was done? For GHI and company on 17th July, what was done? So it can bring date-wise analysis of what was done and who did it. So the tasks may be done by the articles, staffs, proprietors, and they can just keep on putting their data the way they do. But this particular formula automatically analyzes all the tasks done for the client name which is given in the A column and brings us the list of summarized list of whatever tasks they have been completed for that particular audit. And for this, I've again written a specific code in JavaScript. In AppScript, which is just like VBA in Excel, it's AppScript in Google Sheet. And here you can see that question, I've written a customized prompt. And what is my prompt? Go through the audit list in this range, and they've defined the range. Give me a date-wise summary of tasks done for this client, only with serial numbers. No need to add any intro or disclaimers or notes or clarification. I've also given it an example. For example, 15 July, Mohan conducted and requested the firm. I've just given an example. Make 1 point for each combination of date and employee, and my client name is client. And as you can see that one of the variable is the range, that is the task diary, and this is the client which comes from the column A of our question sheet. As I run it, what it does is this particular code connects itself to the OpenAI, sends the response to the OpenAI, and gets the desired response and gets us the desired answer which we want from the OpenAI, from the ChatGPT. In this manner, let's say we can have a tax audit task register, we can have an income tax task register, we can have different kinds of task register. And for each task register, let's say if, for example, I've made this question sheet. I could have made, let's say instead of client name, I could have added employee name. And I could have even, asked a specific question had I, had I charted my prompt in a different manner, that what did Ram do for the entire day? What did Sham do for the entire day? What did Mohan do for the entire day? And I can even ask a specific question. What tasks were completed for ABC and company? Has the tele data been fetched from client for ABC and company? In this way, we can have specific questions asked for each particular audit. So basically, the idea is that we can connect our spreadsheets with OpenAI API. We can create our own formulas, which just act like an Excel formulas, but the formulas which we create, they act as a prompt. The prompt is sent to ChatGPT or OpenAI, which is the API of ChatGPT, and brings us the human readable answers. Friends, it can just act like a manager. And just imagine how much time it can save for us. For example, for the entire day, we are all busy. But at the end, at the day end, we can just put this formula, and get the updated status of the entire audit. So it can be AI based manager. It can act as an AI based manager.
Final 2 minutes.
Yeah. Further, if we can integrate this range with, in fact, we can integrate the range A2 to B with Gmail. And just imagine if you put an automation also at the day end at a fixed time, you can get an email of whatever tax audit tasks were completed throughout the day. In fact, you can also integrate with WhatsApp API. And just imagine that an artificial manager is sending you WhatsApp of what tasks were completed for each audit on a particular day. And I think in future we'll soon see specific chatbots which can talk with our spreadsheets. And I feel that will really be a groundbreaking thing. And I can see that AI has come, and if AI is integrated with spreadsheets, we can really create multiple solutions. To end, I'll just end with two liners कि AI artificial तो है पर natural से कम नहीं, intelligent तो है पर diligent भी कम नहीं. With this, thank you very much.
Thank you, Pankaj Jain ji, for the beautiful two lines that you have said right now at the end of your use case. And yes, to manage the audit tracker is a very difficult task for many of us in our office. We have to track it, and you have also used the Google spreadsheet, you have used the chat GPT, and also shown how the prompt was created by using chat GPT. And our many of members will be benefited from your use case, because it's a very practical problem in firms, those who don't have office management software. So this Google spreadsheet is a good option for them to control the tax audit. And yes, it is also one of the prime documentation whenever peer reviews comes, because you have to show when it started, when it ended, who has done what. So thank you, Pankaj Jain ji, for your use case.